Okay guys, welcome again on the new method on how to make money online 2023. Yes guys, do you know that you can earn money by just posting advert on your social media every single day? Yes, you go fit make money by just posting adverts. All those adverts, just post them for your social media. It's either your Facebook, your WhatsApp, your Twitter, your Instagram, so on and so forth. Posting advert over there will make you a lot of money on this website. So join me as I walk you through on this method on how to earn up to 5 to 10,000 naira every single day as in Nigeria. The website we are going to make use of is called okit.ng. On this website, what are they doing on this website? They pay you for each advert you post on your social media, and also you can resell products on this website. Now over here you can see get paid for posting adverts daily on your social media. Earn daily income by reselling products, posting adverts, and performing simple social tasks for top businesses and brands on your social media account. They have over 200,000 members on this website, and also advertisers are more than 50,000 people on this website. So, and advert viewers, over 10 million advert viewers on this website. And app download, because this website you can use the app or you go to the Chrome browser and search for it. So the people that downloaded these apps are more than 300,000 people that download these apps. Guys, people are using this website to make a lot of money on this website. And also advertisers, you can advertise your business on this website. Over here you can say for advertisers, these are the tips for advertisers. You say get people to post your advert on their social media. Get people with at least 1,000 followers to post your advert and perform social tags for you on their social media account. That means if you have over 1,000 followers on your social media account, you are qualified to use this website to make a lot of money. So over here again, for earners, we that come as an earner. So he said for earners, say get paid for posting advert on your social media. Earn steady income by reselling products, posting adverts, and performing social tags for businesses and top brands on your social media account. And also you can resell someone's products on this website and earn a commission per each product you resell on this website. So let's go down and see more. It said experience the power of viral advertising. Imagine what happens when you get thousands of people with at least 1,000 followers each to post your advert on their social media account. So this one is for the advertisers, people that come here to advertise their business. People who say they come here to advertise their business. This one now for their own. So I want is to make money, not to advertise anything. So we are here to make money. Now let's click on the earnings. Let's see how their earnings look like over here. You click on this earnings, and over here said earn in multiple ways. That means you can earn in multiple ways on this website. If you make money anyhow, anywhere for this website. He said you can earn on Okit by reselling products. Number one, he said if you make money by reselling people products, you go resell them for another people, you go make money through that one. Posting advert for your social media, you fit still make money for that one again. And the third one, you say if you still make money by performing simple social tags on your account. If you still make money by performing social tags on your account, simple one. Simply choose how you want to earn below. This one now, say you choose any way you want make money, any way you say you want to make money for this website. But over here, this website is not free. It's a one-time subscription fee of 1,000 naira is required before you can start earning. So now 1,000 naira go take subscribe to this website before you can start earning. So he said click here to resell products and earn up to 100,000 monthly in sales commission. He said that means if you make even 100,000 naira by just reselling people products, you will make 100,000 or even more every single month. If you resell people product, if people buy the product through the link where they will give you, you will still make more than 100,000 naira on this website. He said earn steady income by posting adverts of businesses and top brands on your social media page. To post adverts on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, you must have at least 1,000 followers. He said before you go fit post, before you go fit do all this job wey dey this website, you must get at least 1,000 followers on your social media account before you go fit use this website to make money. So that means, and I know that many of us, we have over thousands of followers on our social media account. That means we can make use of all our social media account to make money with this website. Okay, let's see how their jobs look like over here. You can see say post advert on Twitter. He said earnings 100 naira per advert you post. That means 100 naira each advert. Don't you say you post. If you post this advert like this now, they will pay you 100 naira. Let's read the jobs. Let's see how it looks like. Post advert of various businesses and top brand on your Twitter page and earn 100 naira per advert post. He said that means if you go to Twitter now, go post this advert, they will give you 100 naira. You do this one again, give you 100 naira. Do this one again, you give you 100. This one is Facebook. You just go Facebook, post this advert. Before you know, they don't give you 100 naira. That means if you can do 10 of this, you don't get 1,000. You do 20 of this, you don't get 2,000 naira. Guys, this is the simplest way ever to make 5k or 10k every single day as in Nigeria. He said advertiser can earn daily with their social media account. Join thousands of people using Orchid to advertise and earn steady income with their social media account. Get started today for free. He said maybe get started today for free, but it's 1,000 naira for partnership. When you subscribe 1,000 naira, their subscription is 1,000 naira. So if you don't subscribe, that means you can this benefit all this money we say you day now you feel make them. But the link to this website will be linked on the video description. If you want to sign in, to just click and you fill the form where they give you, and from there you start making your own money using this website and this strategy that I'm teaching you already. So let's see their marketplace. May we see how the product, let me say they say if we sell we're going to get commission. May we see how the products look like on this website. So may we see the product, may the thing load now, may we see the product, how we will take make money through the product. Over here you can see this one na shoe be this one na shoe. He said 2023 men's casual board shoes, running sneakers, 13,000 naira. This shoe they sell them 13,000 naira. But if you resell them, is either you buy or you resell. But we will not come here to come buy because the money will come make, nobody to spend money for anything. So we will go resell this product. If we resell this product, if person buy them 13,000 naira, out of the 13,000 naira we person buy them now 1,300 they will give you as commission. Is it not interesting? Very, very interesting. Nobody you get shoe, nobody use your money buy and one sell am. This one a person don't put am for here already. If you resell am, they will give you 1,300. This one again, if you resell this one, they will give you 2,950, so on and so forth. Guys, this is the best website ever. You can earn a lot of money using this website, and also you can select any type of categories. All categories you see here. Set all categories, any product you want sell at all, any product you say you want to sell. Is either you sell baby products, is either you sell health and beauty, grocery, phone and tablet, baby products, computing, fashion, electronics, home and office, book, movie and music. Other categories, is it see the yakpa for this place. So anyhow, anything say you know say you fit sell, anything you say no say people go patronize, anything you say people like and people go surely buy. So now you go just go for and resell the product and earn a lot of money by reselling products on this website. And remember, this website is not free. Your subscription is 1,000 naira, and that 1,000 naira wey they say make you take register, so na lifetime. No be say you go register this week, next week they will say it don't expire. No, it's a lifetime subscription. When you subscribe, your subscription is once. Subscribe now and start making money on this website. The link to this website will be linked on the video description. Just go ahead and click it and they will direct you to this little form which you will fill. So over here you enter your full name. After you enter your full name, you click on sign up. There you do account don't set with that. There you can start making money using this website to earn a lot of money. Thank you guys for watching this video until the very end, because I don't want this video to be more longer than this. Till we meet again, until then I say bye bye for now. But please, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now so that you won't miss my next video about making money online. Thank you guys, and God bless you. Bye.